मॅडम आयच्या दिसा तुवें मॅरेथॉन पार्टिसिपेट केल्या डॉक्टर श्यामाप्रसाद मुखर्जी इंडोर स्टेडियमा कडेन आनी तूं फर्स्ट आयला एक्चुअली अवेरनेस पूण तुका कितें सांगचें दिसता
Good organization actually. Today's youth is full of going into the wrong direction, and they need to be out and doing something like this, doing a little awareness and telling the youth it's better to be high on life, care for yourself, do something that you love, enjoy life, but don't fall into substance abuse and get off and help others get off.
तूं एक प्रोफेशनल एथलेट जावन आहा आनी जेन्ना तूं अवेरनेस रनाक लागून रन करता कितें थॉट्स आसता तुजे
Addiction is such a situation where one doesn't have any idea what he's doing and what he's going into. So why this Samaka? So Maka is like maybe I can do a little difference by my message because knowing and understanding and being with addicts, I have kind of interned in Kripa and many places. So I know what they go through, even not for the prize, but I've come here to spread awareness. I've seen it with my own friends, so hope my friends also change because of this.
ड्रग अब्यूज एंड ट्रॅफिकिंग आहा पळय ताजेर तुका कितें सांगचें दिसता
It depends on everyone actually, आता कोई Hyrox होता आणि message येऊन येता people spend 9,000 for that race just to get into the race. But there are also influencers talking about today's youth is spending 9,000 for going to the gym, training for it, but not taking drugs and fooling around, risking your life and sitting on a footpath having drugs. So I feel we need to help youth get out of it and support more youth to encourage so many youngsters to change their life. But just being around them or just being part of them or just being a friend.
तुवें हायरॉक्सान पार्टिसिपेट केला गोंयांतल्यान तूं एक आहा एथलेट तुका सद्याक ट्रेनिंग इनिशियल जेन्ना स्टार्ट जाल्ली कशी स्टार्ट जाली ताज्या बद्दल आमकां सांगचें
So I'm a runner. I'm Junior Games केल्या Macau. Athletics Macau ela Goa India. So I came from the running background itself, and then suddenly was sport आमच्या Indian येलो आणि because I was in the right frame and among the right people, my coach Agmelo and his family, everybody, the right people around, and sport गोंयांत येलो आणि आमचे जिम पयलेच जिम आसलें ते इंट्रोड्यूस करपाक आणि because I always believe when you're with the right people, you always meeting all the right things in the in the world. So I got the right exposure altogether. And,
तुवें खुबशे फावट हायरॉक्सान पार्टिसिपेट केला कोणाक खबर ना हायरॉक्स ताका तूं कशें एक्सप्लेन करतलें
okay, so let me tell you. So it's a sequel. It's called the World Series of Fitness Racing. जिथून 8 kilometers of running असतं आणि 8 different workout stations. So you do 1 kilometer of run and then you do 1 kilometer of ski up. Then you run another kilometer and then you do sled push. Depends on the weight. For women it is 102. 102, and for men it is 153. So that is 50 meters you're going to push. Then you're going to run another loop of 1,000 meter run. Then you're going to sled pull. For women weight it is around 78, and for men it is 103. And then you do 1 more kilometer of running, and then you do 8 meters of burpees broad jump. Then you run another kilometer, and then you do rowing 1,000 meters. Then you run another kilometer. Then you do farmers carries for 200 meters. For men it is 24 kgs, and for women it is 1660. Then you run the 7 kilometer. Then you do you do lunges. For men it is 20 kgs. For women it is 10 kgs. And then you come to the last station, 1 kilometer run and 100 wall balls. For women it is 4 kgs, and for men it is 6 kgs.
तुवें हितून मल्टिपल टायम पार्टिसिपेट केला सो ताका लागून ट्रेनिंग आनी फिजिकल फिट जावपाक आनी तो मायंड सेट जावपाक कितको टायम लागता मीन कितल्या म्हयन्याची ट्रेनिंग लागता
It's a very tough process. I'm telling you all because I was in the best time of my life when I was running, doing the best races of my life. Then I met with an accident, went through a surgery, came back again. I never won any races after that. I was just losing. But I told myself I have gone through the surgery to come back. So it's now after 3 years of my surgery.
So
it takes a lot of mindset and do it, man.
सद्याक हायरॉक्सान तूं रिप्रेझेंट करता आनी गोंयचो कोण आहा हातून
Lot of people, but as you said, nobody knows about it. A lot of people from Goa.
गोंयान न्हू आयर्नमॅन जाता सो हायरॉक्स तुवें पार्टिसिपेट आयर्नमॅन टफ आसता वा हायरॉक्स टफ आसता तुका कितें
Ironman is an outdoor turf where you do swimming, cycling, and running. And for Hyrox, it is totally indoors. So the condition maintained throughout the world. So it's going to be in an indoor stadium with ACs. So It's indoor and Ironman is outdoor.
मॅम गोंयान खुबशे जाण अशे दिसता स्पोर्ट्सान कितें फ्युचर ना म्हूण तुका नेम फेम सगळें मेळ्ळां खुबशे जाण तुका वळखता तुका कितें सांगता दिसता स्टुडंटांक स्पेशली
I feel do what you love, man. तुझे काहीच येते हा तेच करतो. If you feel that sports is not going to take you, don't go for it. But if you think that it's going to do for it, put your heart and soul for it. And don't leave academics because your base is academics. So you have to support. Like I've done psychology, so I try to make sure the psychology comes in sports.
मॅम स्पोर्ट्सान खुबशे पर्सनॅलिटी आहा खुबशे लोक फॉलो करता इंटरनॅशनल आहा नॅशनल आहा आमचे गोंयचे आहा तूं कोणाक अशें पळोवन इन्स्पायर्ड बा जाता अशें कोण आहा पर्सनॅलिटी
Sydney McLaughlin, there is Alison Felix who have done so much. Like even after her pregnancy, how the brain have left her because of her pregnancy, and how she have come back and shown the world that she doesn't need any brain and she can do it by herself. So I do admire them.
मॅम
For
Ma'am,
God.
मॅम जशें तूं रनान इंट्रस्ट दाखयता आनी खंयचो स्पोर्ट्स तुका लायक आहा तितून पार्टिसिपेट करता
Also triathlon करता. I national games triathlon केला उत्तराखंड. So swimming, cycling, and running.
इन फ्युचर तुजे कितें प्लॅन्स आहा खंय रिप्रेझेंट करपाक लागून
It's Olympics, so if I don't somewhere gets into Olympics, then one day otherwise I'll do my best and get into many new things.
मॅम एवरी इयर नार्कोटिक्स सेल ऑर्गनायज करता मॅरेथॉन आनी कंटिन्युअसली लास्ट 3 years तूं फर्स्ट येयला अशें दिसता म्हाका ते कंटिन्युटी तेणी कशी दवरल्या
Actually, you don't have to do anything much. Just believe in yourself and keep practicing, man. Put in the efforts. I don't think nobody can pull you down. You have to put in the efforts and believe in yourself.
मॅम तुका आनीक विचारचें दिसता कोणाक जे स्पोर्ट्साचे जे एफर्ट्स आसता खुबशे हार्डवर्क वयता ते कोणाक चडशे खबर आसना अशी खंयची मुवी आहा तितून तूं इन्स्पायर जावं लोकांक तूं सजेस्ट करता एकदां तरी ती मुवी पळोवची म्हणून कित्याक स्पोर्ट्स पर्सनाचे एफर्ट्स पळोवपाक लागून आनी तितून कोचूय आसता
Yes, I think I would. I'm not getting one, but I think I like Shah Rukh Khan's
चक दे
Chak De India. So how the students were all over and think the mindset nalle, but the coach made sure that they were on track. So Agnel also makes me sometimes I'm in a different mindset. Oh hey, this Darak miss karta ani kinata Darak situation korena. So mindset also, but Agnel, Pramod, his family. And my friend Ryan Julius, everybody motivates me. They are saying like, let's do the workout together. So you need friends like this to motivate you sometimes when you're not up for it.
मॅम गोंयचो स्पोर्ट्स जावन आहा फुटबॉल आनी सद्या फिफा चालू आहा पूण गोंयान तितको क्रेज दिश्टी पडना
Hey, what are they? Football is football, man, and Goans are mad for football. So this stuff.
तूं खंयच्या टिमीक सपोर्ट करता
Portugal.
वॉट वॉज द रिजन टू सपोर्ट पोर्तुगल
Narayan is one of the followers, Portuguese followers. Just
मॅडम तुमचें फूल नांव सांगचें आनी इन शॉर्ट अबाउट युअर सेल्फ
my name is Susan Kutter. I just finished my MA in psychology, and I'm a passionate runner. All glory to God.
फॅमिलीचो सपोर्ट कसो आसलो तुका
Family is awesome. I am here because of my dad. If my dada had not supported me, my dada was a jumper, so all the motivation came from him. And now my mom gets up at 5 when I go to my workout. So thank you so much.